Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today it's going to be very easy watercolor painting, and it's not a full scale corner to corner painting. I'll explain everything about that, but before that, if you are a returning viewer or if you are a new viewer, please try to subscribe to my channel and then like and share with your family and friends, so it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more and more people. So now let's get back to the painting. Like I said, it's not corner to corner. When I said, when we paint landscape or anything, we try to paint the entire surface with the edges left out, or otherwise the entire shape of the paper whatever we have taken. So this is actually more of concentrating on the subject itself, and then outer edges are just smudged, and the application of each of those colors, the color which I have mixed, and the shadow for the door at the end whatever I have painted is cold shadow, not the warm shadow, cold shadow. And the color that I have used is the mixture of crimson and ultramarine blue, and that actually gives me cold shadows. And the last layer, when you apply, try to apply just in one go, not to rub and disturb the bottom layer. So keep those things in mind. This painting is actually a very beginner painting, and I'm trying to come up with anything different and different mediums, mainly with acrylic. And if you have any request, just comment below so that I'll try my best to paint that as well during this 30-day challenge. And then enjoy yourself, and then I'll see you in the next video.